Dear students, parents and staff members, wish you all a very happy Commemoration Day 2021. I always feel that Commemoration Day comes at a very opportune time. It is a time of the year when everyone is in a festive mood and is looking forward to celebrating Christmas and New Year with friends and family. In previous years, our annual fest would culminate on the Commemoration Day after week-long cultural activities, and bonhomie would be at its peak. I'm happy to see that this year too you have collaborated virtually to ensure that the pandemic does not dampen the celebratory spirit and have enthusiastically recorded dances and skits for today's function. At the start of today's session, Principal Ma'am had summarized how the year had progressed in terms of academics and what we have been able to achieve. I wish to congratulate the teachers for ensuring that online teaching happened smoothly during the year and learning did not stop while the schools were physically closed. A big thank you to you from all the students, their parents, and the management. Whenever I talk to the teachers in school, all of them mention about how they miss the students and classroom environment. Well, hopefully we would be able to welcome the students back in school soon. The government had allowed senior class students to come to school last month, and hence we could plan physical classes for them. After the recent announcement this week, we are now looking forward to welcoming the students of remaining classes from Jan onwards. We have exciting things lined up for them, like the Atal Tinkering Lab, where they will get a chance to work with latest technologies like robotics, drones, and 3D printing. I hope all of you enjoyed today's function, and I look forward to seeing you on campus soon. Wish you a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year 2022.
They say when you set your mind for achieving something ever, the universe conspires in your favor. With the desire to soar high from the very inception, touching the milestones throughout our progression, experiencing a decade of learning, growing, and uplifting, never stopping and creating an impression everlasting. We strive to give the best to the young ones, imparting every modern thing possible while clinging to the roots. Our infrastructure gives them the freedom to explore gaily in the fields of games, dance, drama, and oratory. Spacious labs make the mind function openly. Young kids get plenty of space to go about freely. And the world-class auditorium becomes the medium to showcase their talents abundantly. When the world faced a standstill, we provided learning still. When people were going through the pandemic, we ensured the kids excel in their academics. We upheld our tagline, instills continuous learning. We continued our work in NCC, skill enhancement, along with teaching. We provide wind beneath the wings of our students. We strengthen their limbs and refine their visions. We lay an unassailable foundation and pave path for them to tread, which helps them flourish in India and abroad in every aspect. Though we face several unprecedented situations, we sail through each one of them due to our sheer determination. New heights await our presence. We are determined to leave the world amazed in every sense.